So here we have the Fiesta MK7 LED light bar rear lights. This version is the clear chrome background type. We'll get them out, we'll have a quick look, and then we'll also get them illuminated just on a 12 volt feed. Again, always packed really well for when you're ordering and having these delivered. This version is to suit the earlier type, which runs 2008 to around 2012. So always a good idea just to check that you have this plug type if you're wanting to buy these lights, because from 2012 on they do have a different plug, although the exterior of the light is the same, so they won't fit if you get the wrong ones. So this has got a clear lens with a chrome background, and then we've got LED indicators, side lights, brake. So let's have a close up and then we will get them illuminated. So here we have the side light and the reverse light illuminated. The reverse light is powered just by a normal bulb. Everything else in the light is fully LED. These lights are fully road legal. They are E-marked and they're also MOT compliant, so we'll not have any issues when it comes to MOT time. So these lights are really easy to fit. They're literally held in with 2 screws. We also have a resistor, and this ensures that the indicator doesn't flash too fast. Now it's LED. We also have this version with a smoke lens. If you see the links below, it should direct you to both what are available.